3 Malisec. Mission: equip community with cutting-edge computer technology and expertise, delivering personalized solution and exceptional service. At syempre, magpadami ng pera.
Service offer, offering a variety of computers from entry-level to high-end gaming PC, and designing and building custom PC to individual specification and usage requirements. And repair and upgrades, providing diagnostics repair service. Products offered: computers, desktop, laptops, and gaming system. Components: processor, graphics cards, motherboard, RAM, storage solution, and power supplies.
Target of business, including students, gamers, professionals, small to medium-sized business, and technology enterprise. Prime location with high foot traffic, near education centers and business district. Example sa mga matataong lugar like mga city. Pagtatayo kami ng branch dun sa mga SM, bibili kami ng stall at mga malalapit sa eskwelahan. Online presence through an e-commerce website and active social media engagement. Local advertising in newspaper, on radio, and community bulletin boards. Promotion, discount for students and first-time buyers, and loyalty program.
The answer is yes. Like what we said, lahat ng bumibili sa amin may warranty. Libre gawa, pero yung mga parts na papalitan, yun yung babayaran nila. At mas maging best pala kami dun sa mga rare parts ng computer. Yung mga item na bihira sa market, pero best needs part ng computer. Like vintage or discontinued CPU, rare motherboard variants, specialized cooling system, rare connection, adapters, high video graphics, video card, mga ganun. And yung di mapapasabing mura na, lugi pa. To achieve sustainable growth with the focus maximizing customer satisfaction and retention while maintaining healthy profit margins.